jump into the lake?
No, I'm not jumping in the lake.
Okay, you guys, I'm about to do something that I'm very, very excited to do. Are you ready for this? I'm about to pack because tomorrow morning I'm waking up and I'm going to see my friend Audrey, and I'm so excited. I haven't seen her since we left in March, and it's May. I figured the night before I'd take you guys along and just pack because I still have to get my bags together because today I spent the entire day procrastinating writing a paper. I told myself I would finish it before I go, so now I'm gonna pack. We're gonna go to the lake. So we're going to the lake, and just for one day, so I technically only need one swimsuit, but I'm bringing 3, as you can tell. You never really know what you're gonna need, you know, until you get there. I'm probably gonna pack like 4 outfits. 4 or 5 for literally the 2 days that I'm there. If that tells you anything about me, because you never know. Is it gonna rain? Is it gonna be hot? What are we gonna do? We're gonna go out? We're gonna stay in? Can you tell I'm really excited? Yeah. Do you guys think I packed enough for 2 days? You think it's enough? Honestly, probably not for me. I'm just gonna keep it at this and put it all in the bag. I will catch you guys tomorrow because it's about it for the night. Guys, look who actually decided to put makeup on. Well, I'm meeting new people today. Like, come on, gotta make a good first impression. Gotta look a little bit presentable, you know? But the time has come. It is 8:50 and I am heading down to see Audrey. And I'm so excited. It's colder out than expected, so that's why I got my blanket, but hopefully it warms up throughout the day and the sun starts to shine. So I have to go fill up on gas real quick because I'm almost empty. Oh guys, do you notice I also decided to put the bandana back in my hair? I actually kind of dig it. All right, I'm gonna head off. Peace. I don't have a car stand, so I don't know where to like set the camera up. Joints bigger than King Kong's fingers and smoke them like it's Daytona. Ooh, I'm in heaven, I swear right now. Alright y'all, we made it officially to the country, so I thought it was only appropriate to play my favorite country song. Looking for the interstate. Need directions. I'm so excited. That was literally the coolest drive. The freaking coolest drive. But her house is just up there, but like I'm like trying to figure out where to park. So I texted her, I said, I'm here, where do I park? And it's been a minute. I haven't seen it. So I'm like, oh shit. Hi.
Hi.
Where do I go? Do I just park here at the end?
Where are you at? I don't see you. I'm outside right now. Show me where you're at.
Am I at the wrong house?
Show me where you're at. Let me see.
Okay, yeah. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Hold on. I'm also vlogging.
Oh my god.
I'm up at the camera. This good? Hi. Oh my god. Alright guys, we're going to the lake. Hi Audrey. Okay, guys, we're gonna sing. You think we're not in the wave or in the camera, but we are.
Wow, what do you know?
Wow. Okay, we're gonna sing a song. Wait, we should sing our song for the vlog.
Okay, yeah, we should sing our song for the vlog.
Okay.
For the vlog.
What's it called again? You don't know either.
Damn it. Okay, well, it's been a while. I have to think of what it is.
Okay, here we go. On my way to you.
Yes, that's what it is.
Every curve, every ditch, every turn, every bridge. You're gonna watch it, I'd be like,
I know, oh my god, why do we do this to ourselves? Why? Wait, what's happening?
We need to like play a lit song and just
maybe just for the memes on that one. Maybe just
guys. So by the way, I've already mentioned it multiple times because I started the vlog last night, but this is Audrey.
Hey guys.
Back.
So close to love, but you had to
were just at the.
I can't figure out.
Audrey, do you need help back there? This is our bed for the
Never
night,
mind,
by
we
the
got
way.
it.
Anyways, we were just sitting out by the lake, but I didn't.
The dock.
Yeah,
We
on
were
the
sitting
dock.
by the
Yeah,
dock.
We were sitting on the dock, and I didn't want to vlog down there just because I didn't want to bring the camera. Because if I brought the camera, like we most likely would have.
Would have got it wet.
Yeah, we didn't want to do that.
What's your website?
Oh, I have a
have
blog. Not a blog.
Oh, I've always wanted to start a blog.
Yeah, it's really fun. You should look at it. Soulful Soap.
I love that. So
Shout out to Soulful Soap.
seriously, I'm gonna like tag you in that. Shout out to you. So soulful soap.
Yes, ma'am.
That's cute. I love that. So
there
basically,
it
just sitting out by the dock, and then we came back up because we had to get cards, Audrey.
Yes, ma'am. Cards.
We're gonna play card games.
Can
All right, y'all. We are now decided to go play golf. So now let's see Audrey hit one. With her swing.
Got this.
Okay. That was also not. It's been 30 seconds.
One step. A little more.
So
the golf cart needs to be charged.
No big
So we're
deal.
driving back from playing golf, and it just won't go. No.
really need to do that.
So it died, and we had to push it up this hill. We've been pushing it for like an hour. So.
Okay.
Say hi. Hey. So it's a little bit later, and obviously it's later. It's dark out, but we just
see a damn thing.
No, for real. Like this is where we're going. We're going out back to the dock. The last time you saw us, we were golfing. You weren't golfing.
Oh, I
You
wasn't
left.
golfing.
Let's do it.
Go get it!
Guys, don't I look so good? Look at us.
Oh my gosh, not even. I look like that.
Well, I woke up like a good 10 minutes ago. More like, I don't know, 20.
You know.
But I woke up very recently, and Audrey's been up cleaning the entire camper because I wanted to sleep. And now we're gonna go on a walk around the lake this morning. So,
It's gonna be beautiful.
here,
We are officially
let's go.
out of here.
Okay, so we have tea. Well, not exactly tea, but an event not tea, but an event that happened in our lives. And I just thought it'd be great quality of vlog content.
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
would
yeah,
be.
yeah.
They're gonna watch this later and be like, oh my god, these girls.
Imagine the boys like one day watching it and they're like,
One day watching it.
so, we were casually riding the golf carts around.
Casually.
Casually, of course. Audrey wanted to show me all of these different places. So we went to the golf course and there's boys. And we're just like,
Well,
okay,
naturally.
let's go drive past them.
Naturally.
Probably should. There's 3 of them, 2 of us. Like, perfect. Perfect ratio in my eyes. So we drive and they stop us and they wave us over and they were like, hey, do you guys want to hang out later? And did you hear them when they first said that?
Yes, I did. No,
You
I
just didn't know
really
what
did.
to say?
Well, I was like thinking in my mind. I heard them this. I didn't hear the first time. I heard them the second time, and then I was like trying to think of something to say in my mind, and so I was like, "What?"
Because they were like, do you want to hang out later? And we're like, what? And we kept saying, what? And then he goes, do you want to hang out later? We were like, we're leaving later, but whatever. And then we turn around, we leave, and then Audrey drives the golf cart back. And she's like, I'm gonna pull up right next to them and I'm not gonna say anything and you have to talk. And I'm like, no, what? Or else it'd be awkward. And she does just that. She drives right up next to them. Like, right next to them. Parks the golf cart and we're just sitting there and I'm like, well, dang, Audrey. And now I have to talk. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
And you're
But-
welcome because
But she made me do that.
Now you're glad that you did it.
Yeah, but yeah, now we are heading out. Hi guys, so we're going to get coffee. Yummy. Newtown's coffee. And then we're gonna go and get burgers at the burger bar.
Well, I'm eating a beef burger, and so are you, because you promised.
Yes, so it's not exactly like a burger, but
It's better than a burger.
I believe it. And then I have to go home and go to the dentist.
No.
Yeah, I should come back a lot if you want.
Okay, just come back when you're done.
Okay, I'll just be like right back after my appointment. That looks fire. Is it good? Does it taste like ice cream?
Try it.
Okay. I feel like it's ice cream. So it tastes like really good sugar. Yummy. The Carrollton Coffee House for you. There we go. On to the next stop.
On to Burger Bar.
Burger Bar. All the town spots. Here we are, baby.
Here we are.
The Burger Bar, and we're eating what at 11:21? Mostly
Yeah,
because
well, you
I
know.
got a skirt.
She's gotta leave, so.
That was the other Burger Bar?
No.
Oh. Here at Burger Bar, let me know.
Beef burgers.
Beef burgers, and what did we get?
We got beef burgers. I got curly fries, and Kenzie got the regular fries.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna give you a little inside tour. Here we go. Burger Bar, ladies and gents. If you come to Carrollton,
This is the place to be.
this is the place to go. Moments here.
Not ready.
Sad moments here. I have to say bye, but I'm coming back. I'm gonna come right back after my appointment. How about?
Okay, you have to come right back.
Okay,
Right
bye. Hugs. Alright, you guys, so I am officially heading home, which is really sad. I don't want to go to my freaking dentist appointment, but I have to, and it's at 2. So I'm definitely running a little bit late. I get back in town around 2, but I still have to go pick up my sister, so... But I just wanted to end the vlog here. I literally had such a blast, and I can't wait to come back and visit. Until then, I'm just gonna finish my drive home, but yeah, bye!
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something